Arthritis, General, Introduction. Which one of the following body structures is not a joint? Choose one of the following options. Correct. This is not a joint. It is a bone called the femur. The cartilage at the end of the bones in a joint acts as a cushion, allowing the joint to move easily and painlessly. Select true or false. Correct. The synovial fluid is a natural lubricant for joints. Select true or false. Correct. The synovium contains synovial fluid, which allows for smooth, painless motion as the bones of a joint move. All types of arthritis involve inflammation or destruction of the joints. Select true or false. Correct. Osteoarthritis is more common in weight-bearing joints such as the hips and knees. Select true or false. Correct. Most arthritis can be cured. Select true or false. Correct. Most arthritis cannot be cured. However, it can be slowed down and controlled with different medications.
Thank you for using Explain.